हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। आज जैसे मैंने अपना चैट जीपीटी ओपन करा तो मुझे एक चैट जीपीटी ने पॉपअप शो करा कि आपको एप्लीकेशन अपडेट करनी पड़ेगी, और अपडेट में बहुत सारे चेंजेस हैं। तो ये सारे चेंजेस हैं जो कि चैट जीपीटी ने अपने रिलीज नोट में भी शेयर करे हैं। तो देयर इज़ अ लिस्ट, लॉन्ग लिस्ट, जो कि मेरे पास एप्लीकेशन में अपडेट आए हैं। तो इसको आज हम जानते हैं कि चैट जीपीटी ने क्या क्या चेंजेस करे हैं। या Hey guys, so as you can see, this is a popular pop-up that I received in today's morning. So basically, it shows like a new Chat GPT version is available, and there are two options. Either I can install the update right now. तो जो मैं install update करूँगा तो जो existing application है that will get updated. However, the another option it shows like download the new Chat GPT link. So यहाँ से मैं direct जो नया Chat GPT का version है वो मैं download कर सकता हूँ। जैसे मैं इस पर क्लिक करता हूँ तो as you can see like download the chat gpt for desktop, and there are two options. One is for macbook, another one is for windows, so that depends which one you are using. So I'm using macbook. I just click on this macbook os download button, and once you click on this download button it will get downloaded. And in the macbook you just need to drag and drop the application into the app downloaded file. In macbook you just need to drag and drop the downloaded file into the application so that it get properly installed in the laptops, in the macbooks. So as it shows it is 1.46 GB of size of file. जैसे मैंने इसको डाउनलोड किया, इंस्टॉल किया, तो आप as you can see like the application has got installed. I can simply open it by searching in the spotlight chat gpt, and that application will get opened. As you can see it is bouncing up in the dock menu. So as it is first time opening, so it will ask for some permissions. And yeah, this is done mostly, so I just need to sign in with the chat gpt account. I already have chat gpt account, so you can also create it already if you have not done yet. And अगर आप चैट जीपीटी अभी तक यूज नहीं कर रहे तो
क्या क्या कर रहा है यार तू मतलब मजाक है क्या
तो जैसे मैंने चैट जीपीटी ओपन करा, इसने कुछ ऑप्शंस मेरे से मांगा कि आप किस बैकग्राउंड से हैं, आप इस चैट जीपीटी को एप्लीकेशन को किस वे में यूज करना चाहते हैं, सो दैट इट कैन फोकस ऑन दोज कंटेंट्स. सो आई हैव सिलेक्टेड इंजीनियरिंग एज आई एम फ्रॉम engineering background. So just select the engineering, and then it will show the few options like I can also do this later also. So I will simply click on skip button. Yeah, and once I click on the skip button, then I mostly it should get open now. So as I click on the skip button, it will ask me to go to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is open now. This is the user interface. If you are already using it, you must be aware of this interface. So this is the chat box, and there are some new options like getting started, so that it can customize the ChatGPT experience as per my requirements. तो जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करते हैं, so there are two options like chat or work. So they have segregated it, and as you can see like you can also customize it from the chat gpt and the codex menu also. And this is the chat box, chat box. There you can type, and like let's see what is the new. So I will just type open Safari browser and search for today's latest news. So let's see, it will automatically open your browser and do the stuff that you want to do with it, and you don't even have to touch your computer. So as it shows, like I will open the Safari and look up for the current headlines, but it will ask for the permissions because it is going to open your browser in the backend. So it need the permission to open and execute that command. So I will always allow for this one time. And as you can see, it has loaded a tool, opened the Safari, and requested for the permission that I already allowed. And you can see like the browser is automatically open, and it has also like opened the today's latest news. So this is how the automation work. Like you don't have to go to a browser, search for the today's latest news, or this is not the only one. Like you can use it for the multiple purposes. Like you can use it to customize your create a file in the desktop. You can also use it to send an email to my manager. Let's say I'm typing to my manager about the today's leave that I am going to apply, and mention the reason as like yeah, mention the reason as I'm not feeling well. So that's it. So it will automatically open your email client application, draft the email content, and will send it to your manager.